A judge in the University of Idaho murder case says the defendant can be sentenced to die if he is convicted. Brian Kohberger's lawyers have argued that his autism spectrum diagnosis should prevent the death penalty. Yesterday, though, the judge in this case said no. Kohberger is accused of stabbing 4 students to death.
911 on location of your emergency. Hi, something is happening. Something happened in our house. We don't know what.
This was the moment the roommate and friend of Madison Mosion, Xana Kernodle, Ethan Chapin, and Kaylee Gonzalez likely discovered they were dead. The chilling 911 call made hours after they were fatally stabbed was contested by the defense team of the murder suspect, Brian Kohberger.
The court should not admit the 911 call.
They wanted to restrict the jury from what it deemed hearsay statements on the 911 call. Thursday, Judge Stephen Hippler ruled that most of the audio and the transcript are likely admissible. Prosecutors have said they intend to seek the death penalty if Kohberger is convicted, but his legal team is arguing his autism diagnosis should take the death penalty off the table. The judge disagreed, saying the defense failed to show how Kohberger's disability is equivalent to an intellectual disability. Criminal justice professor Colleen Berryessa, whose research was cited by the defense, says that his autism would be most crucial during any potential sentencing.
It's really about mitigating evidence that potentially can be presented at that death penalty stage, where the jurors who have rendered their guilty verdict are now deciding whether or not they want to render a death sentence.
Kohberger's trial, for which he's pled not guilty, is set for August.